ये वाला सेंटर। I thought about what I would say before coming for this press conference, because I remember not very long ago, almost a year ago, I was here launching the trailer of my first film, and I was so nervous. I kept thinking, well, what am I going to say? What am I going to say? I was preparing answers, but I've decided that I'm going to be very honest, and I don't know if you can zoom into my eyes, but I'm feeling very emotional right now. This film is not a film for me. It's an experience that I never had. I started working at the age of 18 and I always complain about that one experience that maybe I won't ever have. Going to college, being by yourself, being independent. But this is that experience, and it's literally like videotape yourself and then you're releasing it. So this is not a film for me, it's just my journey, physical and emotional.
Just a big thank you. And I think this film will speak whatever I want to say, so I'm eagerly waiting for it. I hope you are too.
After seeing the film, मुझे लगा कि इम्तियाज sir actually given me a present. I'm not presenting it. I'm very obliged, and from my bottom of our heart, I'm thanking you to making me a part of this such a beautiful film. Thank you.
Text to Rahman sir. I didn't know which country or which city he was, and I said, we are doing this and it would be so great if you could be here. And the reply that I got was, I will be there. And here he is. Could you please come up on stage, sir?
So when he was doing this movie, he said, would you have time to do this movie? I said, what? I will find the time. Because I think working with Imtiaz on Rockstar and knowing him for the past 4 years, I found that we both traveled a very freaky road, gambling, many things. And I like that gamble, and that's what he's done in this movie. I think it's going to pay off very well.
Yeah, right, better. All of you right. So, go right.
All of you.
You are right. Right. बोलो मत ये बैठना
I call you sir only. He doesn't like it, but I do have to call him sir. Okay, when Imtiaz came to my house the first time, I didn't know what the script was. I didn't know anything. He just came with this script that was really, usually scripts are larger size. It was a small script. So initially I thought it was a short film, but then I realized that it's not. And he knows my father very well, so he said, you go and read the script, I'll sit and hang with your father. So they were hanging and they were talking. I went and I read the script the whole night. I was so excited I couldn't sleep. The next morning I called him, I said, I love it and I'm doing it. And that probably was, I didn't know what I was on for at that moment. But the experience was amazing. Actually amazing. I have to create a whole new word for this experience. It's not amazing, it was 7 things in one. Physically challenging, emotionally challenging, but let's just say I learned a lot about filmmaking, about movies, about myself, about India, since we traveled throughout 6 states, and I ate a lot of mutton.
Actually, production के लिए ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं चुना. जब ये सब्जेक्ट चुना, उसके बाद मैंने रियलाइज किया कि इसको अगर प्रोड्यूस किया जाए तो ये ज़्यादा एहतियात से मैं कर पाऊंगा. उसकी ज़रूरत लगी मुझे. तो मैंने कभी प्रोड्यूस किया नहीं और मैं चाहता भी नहीं हूँ प्रोड्यूस करना कभी. मगर मुझे लग रहा था इस फिल्म में शायद ज़रूरत है. तो मैं साजिद भाई के पास गया. मैंने कहा कि अब क्या करना चाहिए. तो वी वर्कड आउट दिस थिंग कि वो प्रेजेंट करेंगे. बेसिकली वो रिस्क लेंगे और मैं पिक्चर बनाऊंगा. तो he was fine to do that. So I thought ठीक है यार अभी if he wants. So that's how it was. The experience was no different for me. It was the same as directing a film. It was no different at all. शूटिंग हमने की दिल्ली, हरियाणा, राजस्थान, पंजाब, हिमाचल और कश्मीर में.
I think I was more comfortable there than I was probably in my room. I didn't throw any tantrums, yes, and I won't also, hopefully, otherwise my father will slap me 30 times, and so will my mother. But it was a different experience for me, to be honest. Yes, I was being an urban city girl. I have traveled, but you don't really go to these places that you go to when you do travel. You stay in the hotels and you have like a very polished holiday. This was not a holiday. It was not polished, but it was an experience. And I got to see different things that I probably wouldn't have seen. So, to be honest, I'll do anything to go back to Naku Ta Bokasa.
It's going to take many hours for me to really answer it. But I want every film of mine to be very different. It's later on that they say that it's the same film. This time I also feel that it's very different. For one thing, we did not have a full script ready. In the way that I knew the story very well, it's been in my mind for a very long time, but it was developing as we were going on. So I remember the time that I had spoken to Rahman sir once, and I was trying to tell him that I don't know what music is there in the film. There seems to be no situation as such. And then now there are 7 songs straight, and then some of those songs are repeated. So things have developed as we have gone ahead and made. Same thing happened with shooting. There were so many times when we were all climbing up to a location and Alia didn't know what the scene was when she reaches on top, and she used to ask me and I used to tell
a lot actually. One thing that I remember in particular when we were talking, he was talking to me about, because I don't know anything about acting, to be honest. I had no training or anything, but Randeep has, and he's done a lot more films than I have. So he was telling me about something about motivation. Every time you enter a space, you have a motivation to be there. So to follow your thoughts more than to follow the line. Why is mine? You said this to me. You said it. I think हाँ, मैं बहुत ही nervous थी, अभी भी nervous हूँ, और मैं nervous रहूँगी until the film releases. और शायद उसके बाद भी थोड़ा नर्वस रहूंगी, but I think that is a part and parcel. मैं हमेशा नर्वस रहूंगी, and that keeps me on my toes. Emotional हूँ क्योंकि I am very connected to this film in a very weird way. मैं explain नहीं कर सकती हूँ कि what this film is for me. I mean, जब मैं बात करने की कोशिश करती हूँ to somebody, I kind of lose my head goes in 7 different directions. So I don't know how to explain. आप चाय के लिए मिलिए, मैं बताती हूँ आपको. I think everybody in the industry has been very warm and very supportive of all 3 of us actually when we made our debut. So Ranveer's comments I will keep to myself. It's a bit personal, but I would give him credit for introducing me to the class.
जैसा इन्होंने कहा था कुछ देर पहले कि मेरी फिल्में भी थोड़ी बहुत ट्रैवलिंग से संबंध रखती हैं, और ये कि जब आप बाहर की तरफ देखते हैं तब आपको कहानियाँ आपके जहन में आती हैं. सो मेरे साथ ऐसा था, तो मैंने सोचा विंडो सीट ही रख देता हूँ.
जी, मैं स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करती हूँ कि इम्तियाज़ सर जब कैरेक्टर लिखते हैं तो ही हैज़ ऑलवेज गिव्स इट अ वेरी meaning and depth to the character. Every character is different from one another. और बहुत कुछ जाता है वो कैरेक्टर निभाने में. They always stand out in some way and they're very strong in their own way. तो जब मुझे ये फिल्म जब मैंने ये फिल्म स्टार्ट किया, and I slowly realized कि जो कैरेक्टर मैं प्ले कर रही हूँ जिसका नाम वीरा है, इवन शी हैज़ अ जर्नी ऑफ हर ओन. और ये एक फिज़िकल जर्नी है और एक इमोशनल जर्नी भी है. और मैंने रिसेंटली कहा था कि हमने बहुत ट्रैवल किया था. वी स्टार्टेड इन दिल्ली और कश्मीर में ख़त्म हुआ फिल्म, और जर्नी इमोशनली भी कहीं और स्टार्ट हुआ और कहीं और ख़त्म हुआ.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि रणदीप बहुत हाई लीग में हमेशा से रहे हैं. मैंने उनकी सबसे पहली फिल्म देखी थी मॉनसून वेडिंग, और मैं उनसे ख़ास करके बहुत इम्प्रेस हुआ था एज एन एक्टर. उसके बाद मैंने उनके स्टेज प्लेस देखे हैं. उसके अलावा मैंने उनका कुछ देखा नहीं था. कोई और फिल्में नहीं देखी थी, तो मुझे ये नहीं पता कि वो किस लीग में आएंगे। मुझे लगता है वो बहुत बड़े एक्टर, बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं, बहुत रियल एक्टर हैं, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि, और मुझे यकीन है कि वो बहुत कुछ करेंगे अपनी ज़िंदगी में एज एन एक्टर। कोई जो स्पेशल चीज़ जो भी कुछ होती है वो मैं बोलूँगा और लोगों पर कोई यकीन हो जाएगा, ऐसा तो है नहीं। तो जो कुछ हमारा है, जैसे ये पोस्टर है, आपने ट्रेलर देखा, जो भी ये चीज़ें हैं और भी जो भी हम प्रदर्शित करेंगे फिल्म के रिलीज़ होने के पहले, वो सब होगा। शायद उसी में आपको कुछ नज़र आ जाए जो स्पेशल है। कोई ऐसा लफ्ज़ नहीं है जो मैं कह सकूं कि इसमें हॉरर है या इसमें कॉमेडी है।
Just look at her. Look at her. I mean, she is so gorgeous. Can you believe it? ये director है, actress नहीं है in the film. Just believe that.
Such a beautiful introduction of mine. Well, thank you all for being here today. As a filmmaker, I have made Yaariyan for you all, and I feel extremely privileged to be launching the music of my film over here at Mithi Bai in amongst you all, the youth of India. And I want to tell you something, you know, the best period of any human being's life is the time they spend in college, is the time you all are living right now. And that is what Yaariyan pays the tribute to. Live this time to the fullest and enjoy it, because it's got all the elements of energy, ecstasy, excitement, enthusiasm, and so much more. Yaariyan deals with everything connected to the youth, so come and experience the hormonal locha on 10th of Jan and make 2014 the Yaariyan year.
On one album, but I tried very hard, and then when we got such
I think it was Bhushanji's support, because my son was small and I was with him, but he stayed awake so many nights and made the music possible. And after Ashki 2, he's getting to the audience the next album, that is Yaariyan's album. And as a producer, as a music company, he's worked extremely hard to bring out a very entertaining album in front of the audience.
And she has shot the songs very well, beautifully giving the meaning to the lyrics, because it's very important when you are shooting a song, the lyrics should complement the visuals, and she has done that.
And let me call the hero of the film, Himansh Kohli. 1 second, let me ask you one question. I told you all to come dressed nicely. Look, the girls are looking so pretty. So what are you wearing today?
मैम एक्चुअली हमको बोला था यहाँ पे पजामा पार्टी हो रही है, बट नो वरीज यार, पजामा हो चाहे डेनिम हो, पार्टी तो यहाँ पे होके ही रहेगी। व्हाट्स अप पीपल?
Yeah.
लगता है मैं आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे अच्छा खड़ा हुआ है दिख नहीं रहा क्योंकि अगर मैंने ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया जो आप चाहते हो तो मेरे यहाँ पे टप लात पड़ेगी बहुत तगड़ी वाली। बट आई बिलीव डायरेक्टर इज सुपर्ब एज अ डायरेक्टर। उनका विजन इतना क्लियर था ना यार, मेरे को तो मतलब बहुत ईजी हो गया काम करना। एंड जहाँ पे मेरे से काम करने में प्रॉब्लम होती थी, कुछ करना ही नहीं है मैम, प्लीज एक बार बताओ ना यहाँ पे कैसे एक्ट करना है। एंड शी वाज लाइक, ये एक्सप्रेशन है, इसे कॉपी करो एंड पेस्ट इट। सो आई बिलीव शी इज वेरी हेल्पफुल एंड शी इज सुपर्ब एज अ पर्सन।
Hi, I'm Sarah Singh and I played Jenny in the Yaariyan. New Delhi.
Such a tough decision. The guys are so good looking.
सबसे पहले तो what's up मेरे यारों। तो नर्वसनेस तो आपने देख ली कि बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, और उसका सबसे बड़ा रीजन ये है कि हमारे दिव्या मैम ने हमको 6 महीने वर्कशॉप के अंदर ऐसा रगड़ा है जैसा मिठी भाई के बाहर प्यारा सा सैंडविच मिलता है ना, उसमें रगड़ा पैटीज होती है, वैसे रगड़ा है हम लोगों को। तो हम इतने रगड़ के ट्रेंड हुए थे कि नर्वसनेस तो चली गई पूरी की पूरी। नाउ फाइनली वी ऑल आर हियर, और बस आप लोग का वेट कर रहे हैं कि 10 जनवरी को आ जाओ यार, और अपने सारे यारों को लेकर आओ और अपने इन नए यारों से मिलवाओ यार। कम ऑन।
So sir, how was your experience shooting Yaariyan?
Good evening. Rishi Kapoor,
First of all, I'm not the bad man in Yariyan. I'm a good man in Yariyan. Film Yariyan. No, I don't play a bad man in the film. I play a good man in the film. Bad for some bad students because I play the college principal. And I'm extremely happy and proud to be part of Yariyan. Working with Divya and my dear friend Bhushan Kumar, the director of photography Samir Arya, and rest of these young, talented, wonderful actors. Yariyan was truly a fantastic experience for me.
ऑलराइट, मिडी बाई में इसका म्यूजिक लॉन्च हो रहा है और इतने सारे लोग यहाँ पे खड़े हैं कि हमें लिटरली स्टेज की साइड में आना पड़ रहा है। ऑल दी चीफ गेस्ट, ऑल फॉर यू टुडे। थोड़ा सा और आवाज हो जाए तो सीडी का कवर फाड़ने में मजा है भाई। और भंगड़ा वंगड़ा पाओ जी। और मैं क्या कवर खोल देता, म्यूजिक नहीं लाया हुए। डीजे किरण दस के पंजाबी।
Let me tell you something. Ruhan launched the music of Ashki 2 and where it's reached. So I want his blessings because he's launching Yariyan. Yariyan has to be the album of 2014.
Oh, this one is going to come. We've had some fun putting this show together for you. And the confetti is still going up.
Thank you guys. Miti Bhai rocks.
Thank you, Miti Bhai. This is a goodbye from to plug myself. 5 to 9 in the evening. Mumbai local bajate raho.
They will be trapped, they will be asked many questions and they don't have time. They are going for their jobs, they are busy in their livelihood, they don't have time. But you don't have time for the human.
All I'm trying to say is, it should be a routine for a bike rider that first you wear a helmet. The second step is the brilliant rider. Make sure that he also wears a helmet, and that's when you start a bike. Otherwise, that ride doesn't. Accidents take place when you're not expecting. Don't try your luck. Always wear a helmet. Heads, we win. Heads, we win.
I now request also Dr. Katrak, President, Organizing Committee of the conference, Dr. Nirmal Surya, President of the Bombay Neurosciences Association, Dr. R.C. Mishra, Secretary of NSI, to please come up on the dais. We would like to first begin by welcoming our special guest today. We want to welcome you today in the silent Dr. Suresh Sankar to offer the flowers to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. May I request Dr. Nirmal Surya to offer the flowers to our esteemed guest, Mrs. Neeta Ambani. Request Dr. Katra to offer the flowers to the Commissioner of Police, Dr. Satyapal Singh. And may I request Dr. R.C. Mishra to offer the flowers to our Joint Commissioner of Police Traffic, Mr. Kansalkar. And Dr. Dev Pujari to please offer flowers to our father figure of the neurological fraternity, and may I have the words, please. May I request Babji Hukum to please present this plaque to Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. To the Commissioner of Police, Dr. Satyapal Singh. And Dr. Katra to the Joint Police Commissioner, Mr. Kansalkar. On road safety and prevention, and he's been very kind to say that today he would like to present it to the special guest. He said that his book has been released by Mr. Bachchan some time ago, so we request Commissioner of Police, Dr. Satyapal Singh, to present a book to our most respected Babji, Satyapal Singh ji, Vivek Pansalkar ji, Amitabh ji, distinguished guests, and my dear children and teachers. It's a privilege to be here. All of us understand the dire need to raise awareness about head injury in India. And today's campaign reinforces it beyond doubt. It is commendable that various organizations, including the Neurological Society of India and the Indian Head Injury Foundation, are leading the way in spreading awareness about head trauma. It is inspiring how respected Babji has taken it up as a noble mission by converting a personal tragedy into an exemplary initiative, devoting his personal time and energy in building a comprehensive system in the country for the prevention and treatment of brain trauma and for providing rehabilitation. Friends, when we go about doing everyday things, we sometimes lose sight of the need to take the essential precautions. Whether it is playing sports, my children, riding bicycles, driving motor vehicles, or even just crossing the road. Anyone is prone to accidents or injuries, and life can change for the worse in a fraction of a second. But what is crucial is to have a disciplined approach and practice safety first. Friends, India is the youngest country in the world, and it is the youth, all of you who are sitting up there, present today, who can spark a change in attitudes towards society. We must compliment the Mumbai Traffic Police in strictly enforcing the requirement of wearing seat belts. Today, it has become a habit for everyone, a good habit, a life-saving habit. I am sure wearing a helmet will also soon become a habit, thanks to the efforts of the Mumbai Traffic Police. As we just saw in the film now, wearing a helmet is very cool. Even Sachin Tendulkar wears a helmet. If we can all work together, we will surely be able to make a difference. Friends, life is precious and we need to care for it. Let us all collectively vow to make a safe society. A society where all of us, the traffic police, the citizens, the medical fraternity, and all institutions concerned work together. Thank you, Babji, for this awareness campaign, and I'm sure it will soon become a movement for building a safe India. Thank you. His persona spells magic. And when he speaks, he casts a spell. So thank you for your magic.
Very distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen, may I just thank the Neurological Society of India and the Head Injury Foundation for inviting me here today and making me part of this very informative and very necessary program, and of course the launch of this most important campaign. Actors in film should not be behaving the way they do, and I wish to apologize to him for that visual that he showed me. I know that this is probably improbable, but if ever I get an opportunity at this age to sing another song on Dosti, I shall be wearing a helmet. What is the process for giving licenses to people who drive motor vehicles or motorcycles? And I feel that that is the point that needs to be given the maximum attention. I remember many years ago I wanted to apply for a license. I was spending some time in the United States of America, and in New York I wanted to get a driving license, and I had to go through a 3-month learning course. Had to attend classes, had to give an examination, a written examination, and 3 practical examinations before I was offered the license. And I think that that is a process that we need to imbibe in our country, because that is the root cause where all problems start. The other point, of course, is once you go through this very rigorous procedure of giving a license, you ensure that there will be a certain amount of discipline on how to obey rules, how to obey laws, how to obey the traffic signals. It's a pity to see some of the photographs and some of the visuals that were shown to us by Mr. Balsankar. He and I have been meeting on several occasions to discuss what can be done in order to improve conditions here. But really, those are the most important points. We have lost the respect for discipline and lost the respect for uniform, have lost the respect for order. The day we start honoring that, the day we start respecting that, we will make sure that we will stop at the red signal. We will not cross the zebra crossing with our motor vehicles. We will give way to the pedestrian. And these are some of the very simple points that I observe every day. It's terrible to watch the way traffic moves in Mumbai, especially in northern Mumbai. Here, of course, in southern Mumbai, I observe that there is still some semblance of discipline. But in the northern parts of the city, it is just impossible to believe how traffic moves. There have been many occasions when I have personally got out of the car and chased a motor vehicle that has broken the red signal. And he's actually stopped at the next signal about 100 meters away. And I said, you know, what did you gain by breaking the signal? You and me are on the same plane now. We are just side by side. You haven't gained any time. But you've made this terrible mistake of causing a risk to a probable bystander, a probable another car. And they have no answers for it. The traffic department and I have been talking for many, many months and years in fact. And I know that a lot has been said today on how conditions can be improved. Today I want to publicly make this commitment that if ever the traffic department, the police department would require my services to make a film, a campaign, use my voice, my face, for any such campaign that can improve and teach and educate the people, I am there voluntarily to do it. 3 months ago, I actually offered the police department that if you want some kind of creative inputs, I shall be very glad to do it voluntarily. I have a whole team of people that we keep working with. If we can use our face and our voice to sell products as brand ambassadors, surely we can do something like this for the better of society. I have met him and his son in better times when his son had not been through this injury. But it was devastating to me, very hurtful to me, to find that this lovely young man, this attractive human being, going through this pain and this disorder because of an accident. And ever since then, Gaj Singh Ji has been very kind to introduce me to the foundation. And I've been very privileged to be a part of it. And as he knows, anytime he requires my services, I shall always be there. I also want to, at this point in time, thank him personally and publicly for taking a special interest in a case that recently came up to me. On Kaun Banega Crorepati, we have a program which invites people with certain problems. And we had a young man from Manipur who, at the age of 22 or 23, was caught between crossfire amongst the militants and the security forces and was shot in the back. And because of the fact that he was unable to get proper treatment, he's been paralyzed from waist down and the bullet is still in his body. He is living on about 20 to 25 painkillers every day. It's impossible for him to sleep. And the moment this program was aired on Kaun Banega Crorepati, His Highness Gaj Singh Ji, I don't know when he gets the time to see all this, saw this program wrote to me and said, this is just something which is up the alley as far as the foundation is concerned, and we'd be very glad to help this young man. I'm happy to inform you that using that initiative, we have called this young man across from Manipur to Mumbai. He's undergoing treatment at the Ambani Hospital, Kokilaben Ambani Hospital, and the doctors tell me that there is a possibility that in a few weeks' time, this young man will be able to walk with me. I shall be more than happy to do it. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your encouragement and for all the applause that you have generously given. Today I pledge that I will always wear a helmet if I ride or am a pillion rider. I will. Be an effective bystander and help accident victims. Be an alert pedestrian and avoid distractions such as texting. Listening to music, talking on the cell phone. I will. Be a responsible driver. I will drive sober, be focused, and follow the traffic rules. I will. Be aware of speed limits. I will slow down, obey posted speed limits, and stop at red lights, as I understand that though speeding thrills, it also kills. I will. I pledge to observe these basic safety measures because I realize that life is a precious gift and I need to value and protect it. Today, I commit to share this pledge with family, friends, and colleagues and support the mission of Heads We Win. I will.
कितनी पार्टी आए क्या?
माहिती नाही रे बाबा.
क्यों?
शाहिद यहाँ पर. शाहिद बस. यहाँ पर चला गंदी बात
वो हेयर कट अभी फिर वापस करना है. नहीं वन पैक थोड़ा सा कम हो.
I'm actually just leaving for 2 minutes. The party is still on. I'm going to come back in 5 minutes. I'm just walking down because a school friend of mine is playing her first set at Nido. So I'm waiting for 5-10 minutes and coming back. जी. अभी तक I don't think full party full जोश में चालू हुई है. But I'm sure आधे घंटे के अंदर they'll be rocking and rolling.
अनुराग कहाँ?
आमिर और किरण.
आमिर और किरण कोई जैसे निकले नहीं बोलो.
ऐसे नहीं आमिर का नंबर रणवीर पकड़ता है मुझे.
जी और मैं भी उसको बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. आई थिंक इज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट एक्टर ऑफ हिज एज. हम सब लोग एक्साइटेड तो होने चाहिए, नहीं तो फिल्म बनाएंगे कैसे. तो बाकी तो जब बनेगी फिल्म तभी पता चलेगा.
कोई गंदी बातें नहीं हुई, बहुत अच्छी बातें हुई. आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग दैट Shahid has got this success with this film. It's amazing and I wish him all the very best for all his future films. प्रभुदेवा जिस तरह से फिल्में बनाते हैं, जो उनकी स्पीड है फिल्म बनाने की, मुझे बहुत कमाल लगती है वो. तो उनका जो कॉम्बिनेशन है रोमांस और एक्शन का, वो बहुत एक्साइटिंग है.
गंदी बातें हुई भाई. मैंने शाहिद के साथ एक छोटा सा डांस कर लिया बिकॉज आई मीन यू हैव टू. उनकी सक्सेस पार्टी है. आई वाज वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू बी देयर. यहाँ बहुत खुशी आ रही है. एज यू कैन इमेजिन आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस. क्रिसमस के प्लान है भाई. हमारे घर में क्रिसमस बड़े धूमधाम से मनाते हैं बिकॉज वी हैव इन आवर हाउस वी सेलिब्रेट ऑल फेस्टिवल्स, चाहे वो दिवाली हो, ईद हो या क्रिसमस. सो राइट नाउ क्रिसमस प्रिपरेशन चल रहे हैं.
Very excited but scared at the same time. Smile. Okay. Yeah. भर गया पेट सबका. Thank you so much. Lots of wishes. Prayers for you.
पब्लिक डिमांड हो गई भाई.
खत्म हो गई क्या?
इससे सब अच्छी बातें हुई सर. हाँ जी, मुझे बहुत पसंद आई थी. जब मैंने हम लोगों ने पिक्चर देखी, हमें बहुत पसंद आई और उसी की शुभकामनाएं यहाँ देने के लिए शायद को हम यहाँ पर आए. एंड हैप्पी टू सेलिब्रेट इन द सेलिब्रेशन.
Amazing with the kind of response that the songs have got, and it's all because of Preetham and Prabhu sir. They've both done a phenomenal job together. Prabhu sir's choreography and Preetham's music. It's been a lot of fun doing R. Rajkumar and fantastic. The last 1 week has been very very exciting. I'm very very happy. जी हमने तो कर दी गंदी बात दिसंबर में और we hope audience भी ऐसे ही करे. जितने भी आगे जितने भी जिस तरह आप कह रहे हैं फेस्टिवल्स हैं और बहुत सारी पार्टिंग होने वाली दिसंबर में. सो आई होप एवरीबडी आउट देयर डज द गंदी बात. आई हैव नॉट सीन द पिक्चर एंड इट्स वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी एट सच ओकेजन्स वांट्स समथिंग लाइक दिस टू हैपन. आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नॉट सीन द पिक्चर, सो इट्स डिफिकल्ट टू एक्सप्लेन. एज फार एज आई नो, wherever I have been, everybody, we try to be careful. Everybody tries to tell the bodyguards and the people who are there, you know, कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होना चाहिए where people get hurt or something happens which is not nice. I heard about it. I have not seen the picture. But I mean, these are situations which are out of anybody's control, and I just hope that everything is okay. I don't know about Meenia and all. I'm just happy that the film is done well and people have liked it. I know that जिन लोगों को अच्छी लगी है, बहुत अच्छी लगी है, बहुत enjoy किया लोगों ने, and that is the most important thing. Next year will be a new year. There are different things to do. There's going to be Heather, which is going to be a Vishal Bhardwaj film. It's going to be a different kind of film. And of course, there are going to be more films, but I'll talk about each one as it comes. Right now, there will be Heather and then other stuff as well. Please be careful. आप लोग आराम से.
आज की गंदी बात नहीं, आज की बहुत अच्छी बात है. We're all here to yes center. We're all here to celebrate the success of our film and we're all very happy. तो आज कोई गंदी बात नहीं, सब अच्छी बात है. मैं अच्छी बात की न्यू ईयर पे तो पता नहीं क्योंकि I'll be working, but let's see who knows आगे जाकर क्या होता है and let's see. I hope साड़ी के फॉल्सा और गंदी बात बजे क्योंकि वो सबसे पॉपुलर सॉन्ग्स हुए हैं. But I think पार्टी ऑल नाइट भी बजने वाली है. I feel great because thoroughly I have enjoyed these songs and I'm glad that the audience also feels the same way and good. It's a good feeling. It's a great feeling. See you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, very because we worked hard, so hard work pays. I believe in that, and also thanks to the audience because they showed, how they showed their love. I'm very grateful to audience. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. I think I must thank Preetham because he has done a wonderful job, and because of Preetham also this film has done well.
इधर इस तरफ यूज मी अरे
न्यू ईयर्स रेजोल्यूशन अगले साल मैं बहुत धमाका करने वाली हूँ एंड कुछ नया करने वाली हूँ, खूब मस्ती करने वाली हूँ, बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती। देखिए व्हाट द फिश फिल्म है और जितने भी मैंने प्रोमोज देखे हैं मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे। फिल्म की स्टोरी बहुत बढ़िया है, डिम्पल जी का काम बहुत ही अमेजिंग है और इसमें मेन मनी प्लांट और एक फिश की स्टोरी है। एक ऐसे डिम्पल कपाड़िया जी अपने नीज को 30 डेज के लिए अपने हाउस अपना प्राइवेट हाउस वो देकर जाती है। एंड आई लव द स्टोरी। और बहुत कि उसके बाद जो पार्टी होती है और वो पार्टी में क्या क्या होता है वो देखने जैसा है जी। इसके पीछे ये वजह है कि जो मैं आई लव डिम्पल कपाड़िया लॉट एंड आई लव द फिश। और मैं इस फिल्म को प्रमोट कर रही हूँ और जो जितने भी नए स्टार्स जो हैं हमारे जो न्यू कमर्स हैं फिल्म के जो स्टार्स हैं दे आर माय फ्रेंड्स, तो इसलिए मैं प्रमोट करने आई हूँ उनके। आई लव डिम्पल जी बिकॉज मैं उनकी बचपन से उनकी फिल्में देखती आ रही हूँ एंड शी इज़ अमेजिंग, शी इज़ ग्रेट एक्ट्रेस। और जो रोल लाइक इस फिल्म में जो कैरेक्टर है वो मैं पर्सनल लाइफ में हूँ डिम्पल जी का, कि मैं अपने हाउस में किसी को नहीं आने देती हूँ, मेरे बेडरूम में कोई नहीं जाएगा, मेरे बाथरूम में कोई नहीं जा सकता, मेरी चीज़ों को कोई नहीं छू सकता। तो व्हेन आई सॉ द मूवी मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ओह माय गॉड दिस इज़ मी, लाइक मेरे भी मनी प्लांट है इन माई हाउस, फिश है, डॉग है, पैट्स है। तो मतलब ऐसा कि मैं अपने घर में किसी को भी अपने घर की चीज़ों को नहीं छूने देती हूँ। अगर मैं नहीं हूँ तो मेरे घर में मेरे मेड्स और जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे जो नीज है मेरी भी, वो सब चीज़ों को जब हाथ लगाते हैं तो फिर आने के बाद जो मैं उनकी पिटाई करती हूँ सब मैस कर देती हूँ। तो ऐसी ही ये स्टोरी है। देखिए मैं पहले ये फिल्म के बारे में बताऊँ कि मैं आई कांट से कि बहुत बड़ी बजट मूवी है ये और द फिश स्मॉल बजट मूवी है, बट आई टेल यू कि कभी कभी बड़ी बजट की मूवीज़ जो हैं वो काम नहीं कर जाती है, जो स्मॉल बजट की मूवीज़ जो है वो हिट हो जाती है। इसकी जो स्टोरी है ना पूरी डिम्पल जी पे है और फिश पे और मनी प्लांट पे है।
यहाँ पे राखी मैडम इधर क्या बात है। पुन्हा 1 मिनिट व्यवस्थित कॅमेरा फोकस होत नाही, कॅमेरा फोकस नाही होतोय काय समजत।
very much like how is shown in the movie. When they made me hear the story of What the Fish, even I was shocked and I was like वाह, मतलब ये तो पिक्चर बना रहे, मैं तो सच में ऐसी हरकतें मोस्टली बहुत टाइम करती हूँ। Whenever my parents are out, I call my friends और एकदम loud music, तो and I do पूरी घर की बैंड बजा रहे हैं, I do it. And when my mom is back and she's like ये क्या है मतलब। So when they made me hear the story, so that really sound like really interesting. I do drink sometimes with my girlfriends. फिलहाल तो मैं यहाँ What the Fish के बारे में बात करते बैठी हूँ। नशा का नशा उतर गया यार। अभी वो मेरे अभी जो मेरे फिल्म मेकर हैं, they always say they are like कि यार पूनम when you start speaking तुम सारे मतलब सब खोल देती, मतलब आगे कुछ PR स्ट्रैटेजी के लिए मार्केटिंग के लिए कुछ बचाती नहीं है।